I'm Jennifer.
I'm John.
And we're lighting specialists here at Lighting Distinctions. And we had an ASID event here last week that was so much fun. We had tons of food and drink and gave away some really fabulous prizes.
We also rolled out our new designer program where we can customize it to you, your contractor, or your clients, however you need us to work.
Please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter for the latest updates.
When you visit our website, you'll see a spot where you can opt in for our email, where it'll sign you up for a raffle. We're all ASID designers that do choose to enter. You'll also be involved with our weekly emails, product information, updates, all kinds of new and upcoming things here at Lighting Distinctions.
So we hope to see you here in the store soon to build your designer program and find out how it can work best for you and your clients.